that we will chapter which we had finished with. Now, yes, about the down to the presentation.
What are you going to do with the presentation only?
Yes. Hello, Anna. Good morning. Can you hear Anna?
Yes, I'm about to tell you.
Okay. So, any doubts about the presentation? You can just ask me right now.
Ma'am, can you just tell me again what the presentation is?
Anna, I'll explain it to you. So, Anna, your voice is very low. Your voice is coming very low. So you can just try fixing it. Okay. Now, we are going to give you a holiday assignment, okay, for every subject in this. And 3rd of July, 3rd of July, we are going to have presentation day at NXT. 3rd of July, we are going to have a presentation day at NXT. So in every class, there is going to be a presentation. Okay. What to do with the presentation? Have you seen like a PowerPoint presentation before? Slides are there.
Yes, ma'am.
Matter is written and
Ma'am, so
pictures are
it's in science, right? So we have to do the science.
yes, in science. In science, yes.
Ma'am.
So PowerPoint presentations are there. Okay. And
Can you give the topic?
you want me to give the topic? Okay, no problem. We'll finalize the topics also. Okay.
Ma'am, can I choose my own topic?
Yes, Abraham, you can take your own topic also. And now, do you want to take your own topic or do you want me to give you a topic?
Can I choose my own topic, ma'am?
Own topic, yes. Think of it right now and just let me know. Now, 3rd July is presentation day. So in class itself, like this morning timing only, we have our class. So at this morning timing, during the class period only, we are going to do a presentation. Okay. You have to prepare a presentation with slides in it. Okay. With slides in it. And pictures also. Topic should be written. Okay. Little bit explanation of the topic, pictures about the topic should be there. Okay. And then in class, you have to present it. You have to present it. Now, in presentations, when you are presenting in the class, the things that you don't have what is written, you don't just go and read, do a reading of, you have to explain it in your own words. Okay. You have to explain it in your own words. Use clear backgrounds. Okay. If you are, make sure that the backgrounds you are using in the slides, okay, should be visible on the background. Okay. And the things that you are on this slide should be readable. Okay. Not very small format, not very calligraphic fonts. Okay. Not too calligraphic that it is not understandable. Okay. You use font styles, but make sure that it's easily readable. Okay. Then clarity should be there. Also, clarity while speaking should be there. Then 10 minutes time kept for your, okay, for one person. All of you, 10 minutes time will be there. Okay. So in 10 minutes, how much you can cover according to that slides. Okay. It can be any number. It can be 5, 6. Okay. Try to do minimum of in the presentation. Then you can do 6 also, 8 also, 9, 10. Okay. You can do. It's up to you. It's up to the topic you choose and up to you how you prepare on it. Okay. Also, the topic that you are should be in complete detail explained by you. Okay.
Ma'am,
Choose major components, explain them also.
ma'am, can you just repeat what you said? I was not
Say
able to hear.
again.
Yeah, ma'am, like the last 3-4 sentences.
Yes, I said the last thing that I said. Topics you should explain them in detail. You should include the top, not the whole chapter. I'm saying, not the chapter. Okay, but if you're using a topic from the chapter, then put some examples. Okay, put some okay, picture of it. Okay, since this is a competition, one of you, 1 minute, Emma. Just give me 1 minute. Yes, Emma. Now say.
Ma'am, 5 to 6 slides, right?
5 to 6 slides. 5 slides is minimum.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
You can do 6 slides, 7, 8. Okay, up to
Okay,
you.
ma'am.
Prizes will be there. Okay. First prize you are going any like one of you is going to get a first prize. It will be sent to your home. Okay. We are going to send it to your home. All right.
Okay, ma'am.
And that's all. Now any doubts?
No, ma'am.
Okay, Anna. Understood, Anna?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Abraham. See, this is compulsory for all of you. Okay, so you cannot take leave on third. Okay, you cannot skip it. Okay, because it's a compulsory activity. All have to participate in it. Okay, it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be interesting.
Ma'am,
Okay. Yes,
ma'am, what
Abraham.
if something happens? Ma'am,
Something happens.
yeah, ma'am.
Try to like avoid because we have like fixed the date prior. But if by chance something happens, I'll take the next day I'll take the presentation of somebody who's unable to do on that day. But it's gonna be there. Okay. Now, choosing topics. Abraham, have you selected a topic? Not yet. Okay. Emma, let's give you a topic then. Okay. Do you have a chapter in mind, Emma? Any lesson
Ma'am, like
that
I
you can
was
suggest
thinking
me so
something.
I can
I was thinking something with animals. Like, can I do planets and animal world?
plant and animal plants and animal world? Yes, you can do plants and animal world. Let's take a look at the topics in plants and animal.
Okay, ma'am, plants and animal world is mostly like cells and just
Ma'am, can I do
structures
the
of them.
cell?
Cell. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Anna, you can take cell. Okay. Now, Emma, you can take like classification of plants and parts of the plant you can take.
Okay, ma'am, so I
Okay,
can.
you can make on parts of a plant. Yes,
One have to choose, right?
one you have to choose.
Yes, okay, ma'am. So I'll do parts of a plant.
Part of a plant. Okay. In parts of a plant, explain every part in detail. Every part in detail.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. put pictures and do a detailed explanation of the whole thing. Okay. Okay. Then Anna is going to take cell, right, Anna?
I'm actually just reading
Yes,
the
ma'am.
book for the animation. She's giving chapters.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. I'm taking the cell chapter.
Okay. Cell chapter. You mean like cell topic or the lesson? Biological process is less. Cell topic, cover it in detail. Okay, Anna. Try to cover
Okay,
it
ma'am.
in detail.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you can cover both the plant and animal cells in detail. Okay. Now,
Okay, ma'am.
Abraham, choose till its chapter. Yeah. Okay. Abraham, you have to select till from the first to eighth lesson you have.
Ma'am, can I take 8 chapter?
Select it from
Ma'am,
that.
can I take 8 chapter? And from the 8 chapter, can I take combustion and displacement, double displacement, and all of those types of reactions?
Types of reaction. Types of reactions. Yes. Yes, Abraham. You can take types of reactions. You all can also take types of changes. If you want. Abraham, you can take types of, if you want any of you can take types of changes also. Anything. Okay? It's all up to you all. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So little
Ma'am,
bit we
mine
are
is
going to
chapter number
discuss about
2,
the
right?
ninth chapter. Yes. No, 3.
Chapter number 3, ma'am, what part? I forgot.
Chapter number 3 is your plant and animal world.
Yes, ma'am. I just want to know like what part it is.
What part?
Like
You have what? You want to change, you can change it, Emma. Okay? If you want to change it, take something else. You can change also, or you can take just part of the plants, anything. So, no, you can take acids, bases.
yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Then the ninth chapter, the next chapter will give you an introduction. It's about fibers and fabrics. What is a fiber? Fiber is you can material, okay, of thread of yarn, okay, which is used as a fabric. Fabrics are pieces of clothing through which our clothing or our dresses or the clothes that we wear are made of. Okay, the fabrics. What are fabrics made up of? Fabrics are made up of material called fibers. Okay, when fibers are joined together, they make fabric. Now, how many types of fiber are there? What, where do these fiber come from? What are the specific properties of these fibers? Their advantages and disadvantages, how to obtain them, their properties. All of it is we are going to start in this chapter. Now, there is diversity in clothing. We use variety of clothes. Our dresses like sari, blouse, salwar kameez, kurta pajama, and dhoti bandi are made up of some kind of fabrics. Bed sheets, mattresses, blankets, towels, handkerchiefs, socks, vest, even different types of bags and gunny bags are made up of some kind of fabric. Some of these fabric are natural, that is cotton. Okay, some are silk and some are woolen. Okay, whereas some are synthetic. Synthetic ones are like nylon, rayon, okay, acrylic. Those are synthetic, means artificial. Okay, we don't naturally obtain them from plants or animals, but we make them. Okay, they are actually man-made. Okay, that is why they are synthetic. Okay, so fibers can be classified into two types: artificial fibers and natural fibers. Okay, the ones which are naturally produced by animals and the ones that are man-made. Okay, do you have like something in an artificial fiber, or if you've seen or you want to give an example of a natural fiber and an artificial fiber? Any example? The cotton clothes that we mostly.
Ma'am,
Yes, Ibrahim.
ma'am, last year I did a national and artificial fiber. See, last year was the teach back session on this, right, ma'am? Remember? Ninth chapter.
Yes, I remember. Yes, there was a teach back session on the ninth chapter. This time we will not have back on the ninth chapter. Okay, we will do it later with chapter. Now, what happens is um, we have the clothes that we wear in summer are most common, which is plant-based fiber obtained from plants. Okay, then some things are made up of synthetic fibers. Okay, some things are made up of synthetic fibers, like a raincoat. Okay, like a raincoat. Like some clothes that we have, they are not natural fiber made, but nylon, rayon. Okay, those are all artificial fibers. Okay, now this is an activity. Take a piece of cloth. Now try to pull out away from it. You will find that the fabric is made up of yarns and arranged together. What is yarns? Yarns are threads, things which are arranged together to make cloth. Now, press one end of the yarn you pulled out from the piece of cloth with your thumb. Scratch the other end of the yarn along its length. Now, when we've taken out the strand, we like it, and it opens into more thin strands. The yarn or the thick thread splits into more thin threads. So, what are these thin threads? Okay, the thin strands of thread are made up of still thinner strands called fibers. They are known as fibers. Okay, they are fibers. Now, every fabric is made up of yarns, and yarns are further made up of some kind of fibers. Okay, fibers are the naturally obtained strands which, when woven together, makes yarn, and yarn is arranged together to make a fabric. Now, we talked about natural fibers and synthetic fibers. Fabrics are mainly of four types: cotton and synthetic. Fabrics are different from each other. Now, since they are different, their properties are also different because they are made up of different types of fibers. Sources of these are also different. Cotton we get from plant, from silkworm, wool we get from sheep, and synthetic fibers are man-made. Okay, so the sources, those are all the sources. The plant is a source, the sheep is a source, the silkworm is a source. Okay, now fibers of some fabrics, such as cotton, jute, silk, and wool. They are all obtained from plants and animals. So they are called natural fibers. Natural fibers, where are they obtained from? Plants and animals. Okay. Fibers that we get from plants and animals called natural fibers. Jute is also obtained from a plant. Okay, cotton and jute both are obtained from plants. Wool and silk are obtained from animals. Now, woolen fibers are obtained from the fleece of sheep or goat. What is fleece? Fleece is the outer covering, okay, the outer layer of on the sheep. Okay, that is its fleece. Okay, outermost layer. That is its fleece. It is also obtained from the hair of rabbits, yak, and camels. Okay, rabbits, yak, and camels. While silk fiber is drawn from the cocoon of silkworm. Okay, we know that fiber we get from the cocoon that is made by a silkworm. Now, for 1,040 years, natural fibers were the only ones available for me. In the ancient times, only used to use natural fibers to make fabrics. In the last 100 years or so, fibers are also made from chemical substances. Okay, they are made from chemical substances and are called synthetic fibers. Examples are polyester, nylon, and acrylic. Polyester, nylon, and acrylic. Any doubt till now? Any doubt in how fabrics are made out of fiber, or any doubt in what is natural fibers and synthetic fibers?
No, ma'am.
Okay. We'll try some exercises. Fill in the blanks by choosing the yeah. Abraham.
Animal fibers. Yarn is made out of animal fibers. See, animal.
No, animals or
Ma'am, animal.
animals or fibers.
Fibers, ma'am.
Fibers. Okay. Not animal. Okay. Not animal, but fibers. Anna, cotton fibers are obtained from?
Plants, ma'am.
Yes, good. And Emma, woolen fibers are obtained from?
Good.
Goat. Yes. Then we'll do some true or false. Polyester is a natural fiber. Emma, true or false?
False.
Yes. Synthetic fibers are made from chemical substances. Abraham?
Ma'am, true.
Yes, true. Anna, natural fibers are obtained from plants and animals.
No, ma'am.
True. And the last one also, Anna.
I'm
Silk
false.
fiber is obtained from sheep.
False, ma'am.
False. Yes,
The last
false.
one is
Good.
false.
Yes. So now in this lesson, we are going to talk about plant fibers in detail. Okay. Jute fiber. Okay. Then we'll see how, with the help of spinning, yarn is made. Then how, with yarn, fabric is made. Okay. What is the process involved? Okay. Then we'll see what animals give us wool. Okay, how wool from fibers. We'll see some breed of sheep, how rearing of sheep is done, then how from the sheep wool we process the fibers. We'll study about that. Then we'll see about silk, what is silk, how to rear silkworms, how processing of silk takes place. Then these are all natural fibers. And we'll see about synthetic fibers. What are the types of synthetic fibers? Okay, what are the qualities? What are the characteristics? We'll then learn about plastics. Okay, their arrangement.
Hey, look at it. I'm scrolling on the book, the page.
No problem. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Can I have your videos on, please? All of you. Today we will see how to solve linear equations in one variable. Okay, linear equations in one variable. Now, my mother gave me 14 toffees. Okay, my mother gave me toffees. Out of those 14 toffees, toffees. Okay, I'm now left with 7 toffees. Can you solve solve and tell me how many toffees did I eat? Eat?
7 toffees.
Very good. 7 toffees. Because
Ma'am, because 7 minus 7 is 7 plus 7 is 14.
yes, 7 plus 7 is 14. This was a linear equation in one variable. How? Because it had only one variable, that was x. Okay, and a value to it. we can find out the value of x because a value is given to it. Okay, let's try out some more linear equations. Okay, let's try out some more linear equations. Solve this equation. X plus 5 equals to 27.
Ma'am, X is 22.
X is 22 because we take 5 to the other side. We take 5 this side, so it becomes 27 minus 5. X's value will be 22. Okay, 22. Now, we will try some more equations. All this.
Ma'am, is X 74?
Is X 74?
I mean, is 2X 74?
Try again.
64. No, it's 64.
Is it 64?
Yes, ma'am.
2x we'll keep here. Okay. 76. Oh, sorry. We have 76 minus 12. How much is 76 minus 12?
64.
64. Okay. Because 2 and x are in multiplication. So when we need to find the value of x, we take 2 beneath and divide the number by 2. Okay. That's how it goes like. Okay. Now tell me. Divide and tell me.
Ma'am, the answer is 32.
32. Are you all understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh,
Yes, ma'am.
okay, good. Now we'll try some more equations. Okay. Try out this one. I'm clearing the screen. Try this out. Find the value of t.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, is t equal to 50?
Yes, Abraham. And Nathaniel?
Ma'am, I was gonna say the same thing.
Okay. How did this happen? See, when I have to find out the value of a variable, then I will take the numbers that are with the variable to the other side. Okay. We will transport the numbers to the other side. Okay, so it becomes that variable one side. Okay, like this will be the side of variables, and this will be the side of numbers. Okay, now when you are doing this transportation of numbers to the other side, what happens in the process is signs reverse. Signs reverse or signs change. See, here now about our t by 5 into 10. T by 5 into 10. See, sorry, it's not into, it's equal to 10. Okay, so t and 5 are in divide. Okay, now when I transport this 5 to the other side, it will become multiply. It will become multiply. So I will have t equals to 10 multiplied by 5. Okay, 10 multiplied by 5. How much? 50. Okay, because we are transporting the number to the other side. If it is in divide, it will become multiply. If it is in multiply, it will become divide. If it is in addition here, when it goes to that side, we will subtract it. If it is in minus here, when it goes to the other side, it becomes plus. Okay, signs reverse. We transport the number to the other side. And through this transportation only, we find out the value of the variable. Leave the variable alone on one side and transport all the numbers to the other side. And then solve them. Change the sign and then solve them. Try out this one more question. Try out this question. 1 minute. Yes. 2x upon 3y equals to 18. Solve this.
Ma'am, is x 3?
3.
Yes.
Let me check the answer. No, it's not 3.
Then is it 6?
Not 6.
Ma'am, is x equal to 46?
1 minute.
46, ma'am. So, see, ma'am, see, not 46.
Not 46.
26.
Not 26.
Ma'am, is x equal to 3?
No, Nathaniel. Not 3. Check again. See, first thing
Ma'am,
is,
27, ma'am, 27.
yes, Abraham, 27. Okay. First thing is we transport 3 to the other side. It is in divide here. There it will become in multiplication. 2x equals to 18 into 3. How much is 18 into 3? How much is 18 into 3?
About 54.
54. Now see, this x and 2 here are in multiplication. You need to find the value of x. So take this 2 and take it below 54. Okay, dividing 54. So it becomes x equals to 54 divided by 2. Now you can cancel 27. Okay, 27. Anna and Emma, hope you all are getting.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Nathaniel got it now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is how we solve. This is how we solve to find out the value of the variable in the equation.
Ma'am,
Yes.
so mostly only given us division sums, like where there's a fraction.
I have mostly given you division sums. That is true because division sums are a little bit complicated. Okay. At the start, I gave you some normal sums too, addition, subtraction. Okay. See, division sums cover both multiply and divide. Okay. Okay. Do one more. Do one more. This is an addition sum. I'm clearing my screen. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Try this out. 3 by 7 plus x equals to 17 by 7.
Ma'am, is x equal to 14?
Is x equal to 14? No,
Yeah.
it's not equal to 14.
Hmm.
Ma'am, is x equal to 51?
Now, remember the signs. That's the hint I'm going to give. Remember the signs. Emma?
Is it 2? Is x equal to 2?
Ma'am,
Yes.
I won't respond because there is like a machine for the mosquitoes going around now.
Okay. It's okay, Emma. Who said 2?
Me, ma'am.
Okay. Correct. 2 is the correct answer. Okay. Now see, I told you all that we take the number to the other side, leaving the variable alone. So 3 by 7 is positive. When I take it to the other side, it will become negative. Okay. So 17 upon 7, x equals to 17 upon 7 minus 3 upon 7. Minus. Why? because when I take it to the other side, the positive number becomes negative and minus sign will come. Now in addition, we will take LCM, subtraction and addition of fractions when we will take LCM. Okay, we will take LCM 17 minus 3 by 7. Okay, how much? 14 upon 7. Now can we cancel? 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14. X will be 2. Okay, X will be 2. Understood? Understood, all of you?
Yes,
How
ma'am.
to?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Now we will try a couple more questions. Try this out.
Ma'am,
Yes.
is it possible that X can have zero value?
Is it possible that X will have zero value? It is possible, Nathaniel.
Okay, then, ma'am. So I think that X is equal to 0.
No, not in this question.
Okay.
Okay, check again.
Yeah, okay. Yeah. Ma'am, is X equal to 32?
No, not 32. Okay, yeah, not 32. The answer can also come in fraction. Okay, the answer can also come in fraction.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, X is equal to 25 upon 7.
Yes, 25.7. Okay, y 7x equals to 16. 9 I will take to that side, so it becomes plus 9. 16 plus 9 is how much? 25. Now x you will write as it is, and below 25 we will write 7. Because 7 and x are multiplication, and when we transport 7 to the other side, it will become in divide. Okay? Try out another question. X by 3 plus 1 equals to 7 by 15.
Ma'am,
Yes.
this answer will also come in fraction.
Yes, this answer will also come in
Ma'am, is it x is equal to 22 upon 15?
No.
Ma'am, is the answer, is x equal to 6 upon 15?
No.
Ma'am, is it x is equal to 36 upon 15?
No, Abraham.
And x is equal to 22 upon 15.
Mm-hmm.
Ma'am, that's the correct answer or that's the wrong answer? Ma'am, is x equal to
The
20?
wrong answer. Wrong answer.
Ma'am, is x equal to 20?
No. It's gonna be a fraction.
Upon 15?
Let's check it out. See, first thing is you take the number to the other side. Okay, so x by 3 equals to 7 upon 15 plus 1 is a minus 1. Now we take LCM. 15, 7 minus 15. Okay, minus 8 upon 15. Okay, this is not the answer. Okay, why? Is because this is x upon 3 ka value, not x value. We will calculate now the value of x. Right
Ma'am, is
now
it
we calculate the value of x.
x is equal to 24 upon 15?
Is it?
X is equal to 24 upon
No.
15.
No. See, we will take right now x 3 below x is in divide. When we take it to the other side, this side it will become in multiplication. So x equals to minus 8 upon 15 into 3. Cancel. Okay, that is why you were getting 24 upon 15. Okay, you didn't cancel it and you multiplied it directly. Okay. I thought that you did something different. Sorry, here it is 5. Okay, not 3. 3 5s are 50. So 8 minus 8 upon 5. 24. If you did 24 minus 24 upon 15, then also it's correct. But you have to reduce it. Okay. Can you reduce it with a table of 3? Okay. The answer should be completely reduced. Okay. 3 8s are and 3
Ma'am, can
5s.
you give us another question like
So,
this?
yes. we'll give you another question like this. Okay, so understood how it happened. Nathaniel,
Yes, ma'am.
Anna, Emma.
Yes, ma'am. I understood.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. So this is how we solve it. You have to like check if anything is cancelling and then cut it or cancel it. Okay, and then reduce it in the lowest term, and that would be your answer. Okay, that would be your answer. Okay, try this one. Try out this one, last one. Yes. Are you all getting the answers? Wow.
And just give me a minute, ma'am. I'm almost getting it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Same.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Take
I'm
another.
almost getting it.
Okay.
Ma'am, is it T is equal to minus 344 upon 21?
30.
Ma'am, 304.
Ma'am, I'm getting 344 upon 21.
304 upon 21.
And that's the correct answer.
Yes, 304 upon 21 is the correct answer.
I was getting the same thing. 304 upon 21.
Okay, yes. How?
Ma'am,
See,
ma'am, what
yeah,
about the minus sign minus 304?
minus. Okay, yes. Minus sign will be there. Okay,
Ma'am,
minus sign.
minus 304 upon 20.
Yes, minus 304 upon 28. First, it becomes t upon 4 equals to 16 upon 42 minus 4. Then we take LCM. T upon 4 equals to 42. Here, 42 into 42, that is 1 time, so 16 minus 4 into 42 times, that is 168. So we will get 152 upon 42. Now, I'm having T upon 4 equals to minus 152 upon 42. What I will do next? Next, I will take 4 to the other side in multiplication to find the value of t. So it becomes t is equals to minus 152 divided by 42 multiplied by 4. Now we cancel 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. It cannot be cancelled further. So minus 152 divided by 21 will be your answer. Okay, it's going to be your understood, all of you. Understood. Now, what is the homework? First part of the homework is that you remember exercise 6.2 that I gave you all to make equations of sentences were given, 4 sentences were given, statements, you had to make a linear equation. Solve those linear equations. That's the first homework. Second is I'm going to send some similar questions in the group for you all to solve and send. Okay? Do all the homework and send it to me. All right? Do all the homework and send it to me.
One question about the exam. I
Yes,
sent you the last one, the math one. Yes, just yesterday.
yes, Emma.
Okay.
You have sent it to me. index question 6.3 you have to do. That is the solving the statements on 6.2.
Ma'am,
Yes,
did you check our homework?
not yet. I have not checked the homework yet. Okay, but I think 6 chapter entire homework I'll check together. Okay, and also I'll check your test papers also. Like now I'll be free. Now a little bit I'll be free. Like before my exam start, of course, because it's been very hectic for me. But I'll correct it. Okay, I'll correct it, and we can take a problem session when we reopen. Okay, till then enjoy your break. Okay, do a little bit of revision somewhere here and there, little bit of revision. Okay, then then do index question 6.3, and I'll send some extra questions from the
last class.
junior. Yes, this is our last class for the month. Next month is your holiday.
Okay,
We will begin. We will. I'll put a message in the group when we'll reopen.
ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So have a good holidays. Enjoy.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
Happy vacations. See you all.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye,
Happy
ma'am.
vacation.
Thank you.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye,
Thank
Adi.
you, ma'am. Bye, everybody.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, Nathaniel. Bye, ma'am.
Bye.